Rates and unit rates. A rate is a ratio that compares different quantities. A unit rate is a comparison to one of something. Always start by setting up your ratio in words first. The good news is that you see these rates and ratios in your real life every day. You talk about miles per hour, you talk about miles per gallon or rate of speed, you talk about heart rates and beats per minute, or even the price per ounce or per pound of something at the grocery store. A jogger can run 2 miles in 22 minutes. How long would it take the jogger to run 1 mile? So you want to start with words first. We are comparing minutes and miles. We know right now that we can go it takes 22 minutes to run 2 miles. And we get that out of our question. And then all you need to do here is divide. 22 divided by 2 equals 11. So it takes you 11 minutes to run 1 mile. Now you're going to see the word per a lot, so you would say 11 minutes per mile. A car goes 195 miles in 3 hours. How many miles per hour is it going? So we're looking at miles and hours. Now per means for one, and that's called the unit rate, miles and hours. Right now we know that we're going 195 miles in 3 hours. But the question is, how many can it go in 1 hour? So again, you're going to divide 195 divided by 3. 3 goes into 19 6 times. 6 times 3 is 18. Subtract down and you get a 1. Bring down your 5. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 equals 15, and you know it came out evenly. So we can say that this car can go 65 miles in 1 hour. And you would write 65 miles per, and you use that line for per hour. 65 miles per hour. If you go to the grocery store, you might pay $10.50 for 7 pounds of apples. What is the unit rate? That means the price per pound. Again, start with words. We're talking about money and we're talking about pounds. So pounds, you can write that instead of the actual word. And money to pounds is what we're comparing. Remember, it's just a rate. We're comparing quantities, money and pounds. Right now we know we have $10.50 for 7 pounds, but the question is, how much for just 1 pound? Go out to the side and divide it. $10.50 divided by 7. 7 goes into 10 1 time. Subtract down. You get a 3. Bring down your 5. Don't forget to bring up your 0. 7 goes into 35. 5 times. And you're done. You keep going if you want. 1.50 is the same as 1.5. So we know that it costs $1.50 for 1 pound. You would answer the question $1.50 per pound. LB is the abbreviation.